everybody, welcome back to I think episode number 6 or 7 of the Hunting Bird series. We were just finishing up our trampoline video, and now we just heard a bird chirp, and we're gonna go and try and track where the bird is. Let's just get out of our shoes and let's do this. So, found right there on the tree. It's mating. It's trying to mate. Okay, that's number 4, I think. Alright, let's pick up the camera, please. Don't want to make people frustrated.
Don't want to make them look like.
So we did one trampoline.
This is getting to the end of the series. We did the hunting ground girl. It took a long time to finish it. Now the series is going on for a long time. I do a new series every episode, so the series keep on going. And you're wondering when I'm gonna do another Terraria video. Well, yeah, I'll do one probably.
Hopefully I will join in like a Minecraft or something.
Yeah, like a Minecraft. Ow.
That's what happened.
That's what's so bad.
So I'm gonna try to get close to a bird. Shh.
This might be.
Oh my gosh! There it is! There it is! Yes! I got it on tape!
That's number 4 out of 10.
Oh yeah, here's me marking on.
I think it was 2 episodes ago.
Shut up. Can you bring that to the front?
Okay, hold on.
He just broke the glass. He's breaking everything.
I like to break.
It's not glass, it's plastic.
Guys, never walk in a fireplace. I learned my lesson. Here's a funny story. So I went to a friend's. We have no idea how this got out here.
Oh my gosh. Is it another? It's fragile. Wait, let me see the bottom of it. Whoa! That one looks cool. Looks like ice cream popcorn. The bottom. Okay. Just careful.
I got it.
Is this a second one?
Let's find out.
Or is this the
I'm
same?
so happy.
Birds! Oh my god, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7! 7 birds!
7 birds we found. Oh my god.
Oh no, another one! 8! Is this the same one? Yeah, it's the same one.
And we have no idea how it got up here.
How the heck? Now we're getting all the birds in episode 6 or 7. If we finish the goal.
Not cool birds.
Yeah, not cool. We should have got this in episode 1.
So I told Sam a story on the bus. I'm not sharing.
Yeah, not sure.
So a couple of years ago, I was at a friend's house. I walked on hot coals, and my bottom of my shoes were
Roasted?
waxy.
Roasted?
Roasted, yeah. Melted.
Ouch.
And I didn't feel anything.
Oh,
I was lucky. Guys, do not try that. You can go up in flames.
yeah. Don't try it, guys.
I was so stupid.
Don't try. Okay, William, just look at
Just
William. Just look at William, guys.
Yeah, that was my helmet.
Yeah, I just threw it away. I mean, not throw it away. I want to throw it
So
away.
how many birds did we find? 7?
8.
8! Oh my gosh, guys! We're doing
Oh my
it!
gosh. We might do it in this episode.
Lucky day.
This is amazing. Number 9. Should I? Now we're getting all the. not 9. Whoa, 14. We found a block, guys. It's hard to see, but we found them. And there's another one, 15. Oh my God.
Now I'm gonna try to shut this out bird.
No, not that one. 16.
Not this. This one.
16. 17, 18.
19.
20. Oh my God.
Ready?
20. 21, 22, 23. One of these has to be on camera.
That was the arrow I shot.
Yes, we got one.
Oh my gosh. Amazing.
24 birds. Oh my God. Sorry, but wow. Oh my gosh. This is so
I'm
amazing.
gonna try and kick this.
Phil.
I'm used to a lighter.
Yeah,
Where's
it's
the bow?
over there somewhere.
So on one of the episodes I shot this and it went flying. And I have no idea if it's one of them or not.
Now I can't find anymore. 24 birds. Oh my gosh.
Let's go up, put this down, and lift them up.
This is well, for once in these haunting series, I'm gonna name it Jackpot. We found the jackpot of birds.
We found 23 birds.
24.
24.
24.
I'm not a math genius. Face it to us.
That is extraordinary. That is extraordinary. Let's just walk around here. 24 birds plus 3 that we already found. 27 birds we found this series. Oh my gosh.
Bird. There.
Aim. Oh, that was close.
So close.
But that's 28. We have to go 50. In the hunting crickets, we're gonna try and find 40 crickets because they're easy to find.
26 guys.
29.
29.
We found 26 this episode.
You said 29.
26 this episode.
Wow.
29 in the whole series.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is amazing.
This is the jackpot. Okay. We have 5 minutes left to do this video, that means. Okay, wow. 2 more. 31, 32. I just saw another one in the background. 32 birds.
Sorry about that. It was down bad. We have
Yeah,
5 minutes.
5 minutes. 32 birds. Oh my God. Click, click, click. This is amazing.
Clicky click.
Clickety, clickety, click, claw, claw. Chocolate me and a banana.
We heard that stupid song and music.
Just don't.
Oh yeah, guys, check out TDM, Atlantic Craft, Sky Does Minecraft, Popular Mouse, I think.
Topic on my mouse here.
Yeah. Subscribe to them. They're awesome, amazing.
So Popular Skydust Minecraft and TDM are amazing.
Sam, I need
If you subscribe to PewDiePie, unsubscribe please.
Sam, I need to tell you something
Peace out.
off cam.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you don't, Sky Does Minecraft swears a lot, so I'm just warning you if you don't know watch Sky Does Minecraft.
Then if your parents say you can't watch people that swear, then don't watch him. Just
Minecraft rarely swears.
yeah, rarely he says D word. Just rarely.
Rarely.
Really, like
So guys,
one per every 2 episodes, probably something like that.
Like every other channel.
Oh yeah, here's what I got. Oh, this is nothing. They look so out of place.
Guys, ignore that.
Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
I just kicked dog poop.
Oh my gosh! How hard is that? Look at it roll.
That's fun.
Dog ball. Dog ball. Kick.
Crap ball.
Missed it. Crap ball. Crap ball. Yay.
Welcome to crap ball.
Okay, guys. So, wow, this is the end of the series. Woo! And you have the idea of 2. We found 31.
I am lucky I
Oh, I
didn't
forgot my
die
jacket.
this session. We will come up with
Yeah.
a new series, so see ya.
Hunting crickets is next.
Okay, bye.